In today's video, we're going to be going over the Virgin Voyages tablet on how to control your room and the entertainment, how to request stuff. It's very easy. Hopefully you'll find this tutorial helpful. Okay, so every Virgin room has this Lenovo tablet. There's volume buttons up here you don't need. The power button is a little further back. You can tap it, it comes on. Or if you take it out of the cradle, which is very easy, it just picks up or clicks back into that charging cradle, it turns on. You have your entertainment screen, which is pretty obvious. You can flick through different popular movies, or you can come here and select whether you want movies, some series, you want to watch something from Virgin. And as soon as you hit the button, it'll actually cast it to your TV. Your TV will turn on and it'll start playing it over there. Once it's doing that, your volume control will be on here. So for example, if we were to click this Mr. Rogers one, watch on TV, you can already see there's my volume control. Play, rewind, fast forward, it's all there. Very easy to do. And you can activate cinema mode, which will close the curtains and give you a little more ambiance. We can close that. From the entertainment screen, the thing you're probably gonna use more often is the room controls. From your room control page, you have your ceiling lights, which has a slider to adjust how bright precisely you want. It's the only light you can control that precisely or on and off by tapping it. You have this desk lamp that's next to us that's on and off the same way. Or your ambiance lighting, which would be right behind this mirror here, just out of frame and over the bed, as you can see in the reflection. And that'll turn off. And then you have your slider here for your AC, or you can adjust it with up and down if you want micro adjustments. Now, because that's playing, you still have your control for volume down here. If you want to get to their famous mood settings, you flip it up, but you have to be on that side of the screen over here in the lights area. From here, you have pumped up, a Zen mood, photo shoot, the famous get it on, a hangover setting, and then that's it. We're back to pumped up. So when you hit it, it'll automatically change stuff. You probably saw that mood lighting change here. You can see the reflection in the tablet down here has also changed over the bed to this like purpley thick color. The desk lamp turned on and the overhead lights came on just a little bit. That's all that really happens with that one. If we were to go to hangover, it's closing the curtains. You might be able to tell it's getting a little darker in here. Other than that, the overhead lights dimmed a little bit, and everything else pretty much remained the same. We'll save the best for last, guys. In Zen mode, so for Zen mode, the only thing that really changes is your overhead lights go blue, like you can see over here, instead of that purpley color. And that's really it, the blinds stay closed. If we go to photo shoot mode, you get this warm white light for your ambiance lights. Your overhead lights stay sort of dim, and your curtains open up, as you can tell, as it got a little bit brighter in here. And then from photo shoot, we have the world famous get it on mode. I think you guys might already we did not know the music was gonna start. That's pretty funny. So you have that with the pink mood lighting, and that's about it. Now, if you're ready to get out of the mood setting, you can swipe back down, and you can head over to services if we need to, or entertainment. You just tap these bottom tabs here to move through the controls. You don't really need to use this home or back button because they don't do anything. Some more basic room controls up top. Obviously, you have your TV on off. You have your lights, all of them off, all of them on. Close the curtains or open the curtains, and you just tap the screen and it'll do that. Under services here, you can request whatever you need. If I want fresh towels, my cabin cleaned, if I want the bed converted into a sofa, right? You can click it, tell them I want it as a sofa or I want it as a bed. If you decide you want to do it yourself, there's that gray button there. You can see it says, I'll give it a go myself, or no thanks. Basically, I want them to do it. And it'll alert your cabin steward on what exactly it is you need. Obviously, if there's something else that you need done, you can hit the maintenance button and then you can select which category you want help in. And And then in information, there's not much there really. It's the Red Book, which is the basic Virgin information, and their security guide. You do need to leave this on the cradle so it's charging. You can see there's the little connections at the bottom. It just sits in there, and then it'll click in and it's charging, and that's it. Guys, and that's all there is to this. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch another one of our cruising videos here. We'll see you guys on the next one.